Happening now, the U.S. Department of Education will resume collecting on defaulted student loans. This after a years-long pause put in place during the COVID-19 pandemic. NBC Connecticut's David Horwitz live for us tonight in Hartford with more. Hi, David.
Hi, Amber, and good evening. Now, this is expected to affect 5 to 10 million borrowers that are either defaulted on their loans already or are expected to in the next few months. Now, we spoke with an expert about what you can do if you find yourself in this position.
The impacts will compound and make it very difficult to have financial flexibility later on.
Thanks to policies put in place during the COVID-19 pandemic, the collections on federal student loan repayments has been paused for about 5 years. Matt Smith with the Connecticut Department of Banking tells us if you have defaulted on your loans, you're not alone.
I think it could be a little intimidating for them. People may not, try to put blinders on, but really, looking at this head on and, trying to resolve the default is of paramount importance.
Federal student loans become defaulted after 270 days or 9 months of non-payment. This can lead to serious consequences such as wage garnishment, having your tax refund go towards the money you owe, and leaving a lasting mark on your credit score.
When you have a lower credit score, you don't get particularly favorable rates. So you may find a lender that's willing to lend to you, but you're not going to get the best rate available.
If you have defaulted on your loans, Smith says resources are available through the U.S. Department of Education website.
So if getting out of default through like an income-driven repayment plan or other sort of payment arrangement by talking directly with the Department of Ed or your servicer, will prevent that from happening. And you'll have more control, will give you, again, some financial flexibility.
And the first step is to check the status of your loans. You can do that by going to studentaid.gov. From there, you can talk directly with the U.S. Department of Education or directly with your loan service provider. In Hartford, David Horwitz, NBC Connecticut News. Amber, Kevin, back over to you.
David, thank you.